Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. And today we're going to do a comparison video about Vograce versus Melody Charm. I know some of you people have said that you were using Melody Charm for the first time to use their stuff and you wanted to know if it was good. And other people might have used Vograce and really like Vograce. So I'm just going to do a comparison video about them and see if we can come to a consensus which one is better or if their stuff is comparable. So I'm going to do Vograce. So Vograce, their customer service was really good. I noticed that when I had trouble getting my package to me from California, I don't know what happened with the customs. They had issues with giving me my package, and I never got it. I ordered my package in January or February, and then they shipped it out February 11th, and it's been stuck in customs ever since that time. And I noticed that Vograce was really nice and caring about helping me get through this situation. I emailed them and they messaged me back and said that they'll be looking closely at the package. And then when the package never came, they called me. They reached out to me and told me that they would resend the package with the items in it and send it to me. So I thought that was really good. That was a big thumbs up for me with working with them. And then, yeah, I don't see anything wrong with them as a company. So let me show you some of the items that I got from them. And I also will probably at the end of this video or maybe in between these video of me talking about Vograce, I will put a video of the unboxing of the stuff that I got. So yeah. So I know in the other video I showed you that I got some notebooks, pens, and bookmarks, but this time I got keychains. So here's the first keychain I got. Is a mirror keychain. In the back it has a mirror on it, and it looks like this, and it says all about love and it's in sparkles. I don't know if the camera's doing it justice, but it looks nice and I really liked it a lot. And you can see the camera, I mean, not the camera, the mirror in the back. This one was good. I really liked it. I think it was really good quality and yeah, and very durable. The next one that I got was a purple keychain. That was like a pearl one. And it looked like this. And this one has like the characters, but it came out a bit dark. I didn't really like how dark it came out, the characters came out. But other than that, it was pretty good. And I really liked it. Then the next one, oh my god, this one is my favorite, is this one. It has a bow topper on top, and it has the characters on it, and it has Becoming a Osei, and I really like this piece, the bow, and it's supposed to be heart. I don't know if you can see that. Yeah, it's reflecting. It's a heart, holographic hearts design. And I really, really like this. I know it's a bit big. In person, it's really big. The keychain, I think it's 2.5 inches. So that's how big it is. But I really like it a lot. And I thought that I did a really good job with picking out the design for this. It really came out exactly how I envisioned it. But I didn't think it would be this big. Because compared to the other ones, it's not really, the other ones weren't that big as this one, but the other ones were 2 inches and this one was 2.5 inches. So yeah. And then the final thing that I got from Vograce was button pins. I don't know if this is doing it justice, but it looks like that. And it was really nice too, but the only problem was that with this one, the words are kind of like too big, so it kind of bled into the other side and the other side of here too. So yeah, But other than that, I really will give Vograce a big thumbs up because their customer service is really good and their quality is top notch. But the waiting time for you to get your package is very long. For me, my first package, I ordered it maybe in January and I didn't get it until like the end, almost February. And then the other packages, I ordered them also in February, and then I didn't get them until like March-ish. So that it took a long time for that. But other than that, I really like the company and their customer service is really good. So I'm gonna show you stuff that I got from Melody Charm because I also additionally got other stuff from Melody Charm that were different than the other keychain. But I'm gonna just show you the keychain again so you can compare how Vograce and Melody Charm is, so you can see which ones are really good for which ones you would rather get. So this one is the keychain from Melody Charm. It has a back as well, and it was really good. It has a gold topper. I think I told him to do rose gold, but I don't know if it was the communication was off or whatever, but this is how it looks, and I think it's really good. Like Melody Charm, I really think that they did a really good job with it. Then the next thing that I got was holographic stars pin of the characters on it. So I don't know if you can see it. Yeah, you can see it right now. This is the holographic stars. But if you look closer, that is the couple together in the book. And in the back, it also has like a heart thing that when you take it out, there's like a pin in the back and you can put it back in. So I really like this added detail on it. I think I chose it, yeah. It was pink and cute. So yeah, I like this one. And then the final thing I got was this. I could say I don't really like it too much because the same thing with this from Vograce, they came out a bit dark. I wish that I could have gotten it brighter, but maybe I don't know what's going on with it. But it also has holographic stars in it. You could probably see from back here. So my consensus is that both Melody Charm and Vograce are good. Just pick whichever one that you want to use. I think that they're really good and have good customer service and reliable, and they will actually ship out your products. And even if you have any issues, you can always reach out to them about the issues that you might have with shipping because of all the stuff that's going on with tariffs and things of that nature. It might make things a bit hectic, but it's really good, their customer service. I guess they're both comparable to each other. Like they both have good quality products and stuff. One might be have more deals than the other one, but still, if you're looking for deals, then I would say it depends because sometimes Melody Charm has deals and sometimes mostly Vograce have a lot of deals coming every month for different things. So yeah, I'm really happy about the stuff that I got and I hope that I can work with them again in the future for some of the stuff that I'm trying to make. Maybe I'll be able to like do some more stuff and make them for the book. But I'm really happy about it, and yeah. So, big thumbs up for both companies. So, if you like this video, give it a big thumbs up. Also, comment down below what did you like about this video and whether you liked Melody Charm or Vograce better. And if you're going to comment, why don't you subscribe? It's free. And if you're going to subscribe, turn on post notifications so you can be notified every time your girl upload a video. With that being said, bye.